In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Udemy support. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your browser and going to the Udemy website. If you already have an account, sign in. Many people use their Google account to log in, which is quick and convenient. Make sure you're using the same account that's associated with the course or purchase you need help with, so the support team can find your information quickly. Once you're logged in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the page and hover over your profile icon. A small menu will appear with several options. Look for the Help and Support area in that menu and click to open it. This section is the best place to begin because it connects you to Udemy's official Help Center and self-service resources. On the Help and Support page, you'll see a search bar. Type in keywords that describe your issue, words like refund, course access, certificate, or technical problem. Be specific so the search returns the most relevant articles. Udemy's help articles are arranged to solve common problems, and a well-chosen search term often leads to a quick solution without waiting for direct support. When you find an article that seems to fit your problem, click on Read Article to open it. Read through the content carefully. It may include step-by-step fixes, screenshots, or links that resolve your issue right away. If the article doesn't fully address your situation, look for the Contact Us option on the right-hand sidebar of the article page. Click Contact Us to reveal the available support channels. On many pages, you'll also notice a chat icon in the bottom right corner of your browser window. Click that chat icon to open a pop-up where you can either interact with an automated assistant or connect with a live support agent. In the chat box, clearly describe your issue. Mention relevant details like the course title, what device or browser you're using, and any error messages you see. If you have a purchase receipt or screenshots, say that you can provide them. These help agents diagnose problems faster. After you submit your message, keep an eye on your inbox and the chat window for replies. Responses can come through the chat or via email, so check both. If you don't hear back within a reasonable time, reopen the chat and reference your previous message to follow up. That's it. You've reached Udemy support and given them what they need to help you efficiently.